Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. This is a list of top
Countertop blenders.
If you found this list helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
Hi, I'm Gareth Evans from Vitamix and I'm here to show you our Vitamix Pro 750. Now the Pro 750 comes with a 64-ounce container, a manual speed dial that gives you complete control over your blends, and a pulse function that enables you to chop ingredients quickly and easily. It also comes with 5 pre-programmed settings. We have smoothie, frozen dessert, hot soup, dips and spreads, and a cleaning cycle. It will make you the smoothest smoothies in 60 seconds. You can make a frozen dessert in under a minute, but you can also turn cold water, raw vegetables into a hot soup in around 5 minutes. Let me show you how. We're going to select the hot soup program, and all we need to do is press start. The Pro 750 has switched itself off, which means we now have steaming hot soup. And you can see how thick and creamy this is. We now have steaming hot soup. And you can see how thick and creamy this is. What's even more wonderful about the Vitamix machine is that the Pro 750 can actually clean itself. We're going to set the pre-programmed setting to the cleaning cycle, and we're just going to press start. Down the sink. Give this a little rinse through with the tap. And you can see that container is clean and ready to use again.
Hi, my name is Derek Howes, the Protein Chef, and I am excited to introduce you to the Ninja NutriBlender Pro. This addition to the Ninja family makes blending easier than ever. The Ninja NutriBlender Pro is sleek, compact, and comes equipped with single-serve cups, making it perfect for my busy lifestyle. I can make my favorite smoothie and conveniently take it with me wherever I go. This blender comes with a super powerful 1000-watt motor base, which is extremely compact and fits great on my countertop. The single-serve cup with Pro extractor blade assembly is great for creating smooth blended drinks like smoothies, extractions, and frozen drinks like pina coladas. It can crush through ice, liquefy and extract fruits, and easily powers through other tough ingredients like leafy greens and broccoli. My favorite features of the Ninja NutriBlender Pro are the different blending options. Here you can choose from 2 Auto IQ programs or manual blend. Auto IQ is a patented Ninja technology that takes the guesswork out of blending. To use the Auto IQ technology, simply select one of the 2 programs included, either Smoothie or Crush. The machine will then automatically control the motor speed, length of program, and unique pausing and pulsing patterns to ensure you get the perfect result every time. Grab your Ninja cup and prep your ingredients. I have a quick tip: start loading your cup, any nut butters, and then finish off with ice or other frozen ingredients. 1 tablespoon of almond and 1/4 cups of frozen mixed berries by twisting it clockwise. Next, lower the cup. You will hear a click. Once installed, the control panel lights will illuminate. New program. All I need to do is to work for me. Once ready to hit the road, to take it with you anywhere. Steady on.
This is the NutriBullet Pro, the nutrient extracting powerhouse. Just load your ingredients into the cup, attach the NutriBullet extractor blade, place it onto the power base, and in an instant, the NutriBullet Pro breaks down and opens up the stems, seeds, and skins, giving you optimum nutrition in every smoothie. Then, just give it a quick rinse and you're ready to go again in seconds. The NutriBullet Pro's powerful 900-watt motor, combined with cyclonic action, forces everything into the extractor blade, breaking down even the toughest ingredients, taking ordinary foods and turning them into superfoods. The NutriBullet Pro comes with the NutriBullet extractor blade, 2 colossal 32-ounce cups, and 2 flip-top to-go lids. So, whether you're looking to use nutrition to enhance your performance, give you that added boost in recovery, just load your cup, place it onto the power base, and opens up the stems, seeds, and skins in every smoothie. Quick rinse, and you're ready to go. The NutriBullet Pro's powerful 900-watt motor forces everything into the extractor blade, down even taking ordinary foods, and the NutriBullet Pro comes with the NutriBullet extractor blade and 2 flip-top to-go lids. Give you that added boost in recovery. Transforming your life starts here. NutriBullet Pro.